Mtang ba kajilaw Conrad kisang ma ulapan kan mau ya kijinglong ba ngeurit bat kijinglong ba kan sa jong Dr. Ricky Andrew Jisengkon hakabau dang ya kendo kasan sengi hanung ba Delhi haba pen pau ya jisngulam hapo indo ba tawan mutakas sengi Conrad wa ong ba kumba kasan sengi menshua ya kendo ya Dr. Ricky Jisengkon New Delhi hakaba ya kren syap hangkikam na mutakajela hakajuk kopol Conrad ya thu ba radon ke pukram hasan Mary hakabrakot yu bat yu Dr. Ricky Jisengkon hakata ke pukram Dr. Ricky Jisengkon wa syakot kumus sembut kongsan kat ba ma walong kumus kongsan nama ba usakut kali Conrad wa slem ban poi biang por kat ba Dr. Ricky Jisengkon wa poi biang por bat habau Conrad wa kli ya ulak kemnu ban poi biang por Dr. Ricky ra jubab ba wan dak Scoty marwe kini ki jinglong ba surit jong uniu MP ba ki jing klat no jong kade ki jing du ba kraw ki jela long Conrad Conrad open benaru ba Lashai kasngi kabade kasngi lai on tep ya Dr. Ricky Jisengkon la Shuti Khasi-Jaintia his baro away
that the funeral will be held tomorrow. As a government, we have decided that in order to pay respects to the departed soul and to his family members, and also to ensure that we are able to allow people to participate and to be there during the funeral, the government has decided that tomorrow, which was supposed to be a working day as part of the compensatory holidays, tomorrow being working day, the government has decided that we will declare holiday in the Eastern Range, or rather in the MP parliamentary constituency, in all the districts which fall under the Shillong MP parliamentary constituency seat. As I said, in order to pay respect to the departed soul, as well as to allow people to be part of the funeral that is most likely to be held tomorrow. So it has been a great loss for the whole state. As a representative in the Lok Sabha, he was not just representative of Shillong or of Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills, but of the whole state. And therefore, this is a loss for all of us, and a loss which will be, or rather I should say a vacuum, which will be very difficult to fill. On behalf of all the members of the House, I express my deepest condolences to the family, to the members of the bereaved family, and also pray to Almighty that He will give strength to all the members of the family, as well as all his colleagues, all his supporters, so that they are able to bear this loss that they have had yesterday. Once again, on behalf of the House, I express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family. With these few words, I resume my seat.